How's it going, everyone? I'm Johnny, your certified mold inspector, and today we're going to be touching on the topic of foundation leaks, water intrusion. If you want any more information, guys, on mold related topics, just go to www.ultimatemoldcrew.ca, or guys, check out our YouTube channel. A lot of information there, a lot of information, guys, so just check it out. But anyways, let's get started. Indicators that could state that there is some sort of water leakage from the foundation occurring. Number one, smell. Use your nose. If you're hitting that musty, earthy smell, that could be a sign that there's mold growth. Where there's water and where there's food source and right temperature, there's mold growth. So if you're smelling that, that could be an indicator. Number two, you can always look at laminate flooring. If you see any warping, just see water pooling on top of the actual flooring. Look for warping, buckling of laminate flooring. See if there's any delamination. Number three, look at baseboards. Look at drywall. See if the baseboard has detached from the actual wall. If the caulking that's around the actual baseboard has come apart. Discoloration of the baseboard. Discoloration of the drywall. Even poking the drywall if it's soft and it pushes and crumbles like a cookie. Don't mind my example, but if it crumbles, then you could have foundation problems. Pipes, plumbing, stacks, the PVC stacks. Sometimes the area where you open it up to I don't know what it's called, I'm not a plumber, but the release area, that could leak, and the joints can also leak, and that could cause damage as well. Finally, a crack on the actual foundation wall. Now the crack doesn't have to be that big, it could be really small. Water is very agile and can make its way through. Problem is in the winter time when that water gets through the crack, it freezes within the crack. And then that crack expands when it thaws, and that makes the crack bigger and compromises the foundation wall, and that causes more water to enter, and it'll damage all your drywall materials and wood, etc., etc. Okay, even windows, guys. Windows, it is part of foundation. I mean, it isn't open to the outside. Sometimes these windows start to give out when they're older, so the sealant that's underneath on the outside starts to give out, and then that water can come in. Another thing that I want to show you guys is, let me open this, is this. So when this stuff is not cleared out, it allows for water to settle on top, and it can pool, and that water rests against the foundation of a wall. The problem with that is that if there's any problems happening here, that water can come in. You don't want water always settling against the actual foundation of the wall. Then these grills here, I mean, this grill has no covering. I can see directly outside. There should be a covering over it that repels the water off, so that water doesn't pool in here. So this will be another issue why water can get in from the outside. There it is. Two things going on here. There is foundation leak on the one side, and over here we have water coming in from the outside. Most likely from underneath the seal. A bit of foundation issue after removing. You see the pin. That's all it takes, guys. All it takes. Leaking through. Over here as well, same difference. So we have the foundation issue part in this area. Guys, that's a little bit on foundations, but again, go on our YouTube channel, check out our website if you want more information. Here to serve you guys. Call us anytime, 647-985-2739.